Is Bandhan Life iIncome Wealth Plan a reliable income plus protection combo or a compromise that may underdeliver compared to dedicated income or investment product? Let us find out the answer to this question through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So this is a non-linked participating life insurance individual savings plan. So some of the key features of the policy are long-term life insurance coverage is available up to 100 years of age, and secure policy benefit ensures your loved one's dreams are protected in the event of your unfortunate demise, and you have the flexibility to choose between income focused or wealth building options based on your needs. You have the option to receive cash bonus if declared, and guaranteed income as yearly as the first policy month or after a chosen deferment period. So you have the freedom to accumulate your income payouts and build a wealth corpus for future financial goals. There is a premium offset feature which is available, which allows you to use income payouts to offset your future premium payments. So these are some of the key features of the policy, and there are benefits like survival benefit, maturity benefit, and death benefit, which will all differ based on the plan option you have opted for. There are some advantages as well, like the secure policy benefit protects your long-term financial goals by continuing income and maturity benefits in the event of the life assured's unfortunate demise during the policy term. So under both yearly and deferred income options, you can choose to receive income payouts on any date of your choice, not just on the policy anniversary. By default, income benefits are paid in arrears, but you can opt to receive them in advance. You can also select your preferred income payout frequency like yearly, half yearly, quarterly, or monthly. And during the premium payment term, you have the flexibility to change your premium payment frequency. You can combine product options such as yearly income with wealth or deferred income with wealth based on your needs as well. So policy loans are allowed up to a maximum of 80% of the available surrender value, but there are some disadvantages as well, like the insurance coverage provided under the plan is insufficient. So survival benefit cash payouts may not adequately meet real world financial requirements. The overall returns from the plan are comparatively low. Receiving yearly cash payouts diminishes the compounding potential of your investment. So these are some of the drawbacks that you need to keep in your mind before deciding to invest in this policy. Now, as we have a basic idea about this policy, let us move on to the analysis part of the video, where you are going to conduct an IRR analysis based on the policy brochure's benefit illustration to just taking an informed decision. But if you still want to know more about some aspects of the policy in detail, you can refer to the policy brochure. So let us assume for calculation purpose that a 30-year-old male has chosen this plan with a sum assured of 9.37 lakh, a 30-year policy term, and a 10-year premium paying term. The annual premium is 75,000 and he has opted for the wealth option. So for example purpose, in the projected investment return given in the policy brochure, they have assumed investment returns at 4 and 8% per annum, though actual returns may differ. So under the wealth option, there are no yearly survival benefits, so all payouts come as a lump sum at maturity. At the 4% scenario, the maturity value including accumulated cash bonuses is 21.15 lakh. At the 4% scenario, the maturity value including accumulated cash bonuses is 21.15 lakh, giving an IRR of 4.12% as per the policy's maturity calculator. At the 8% scenario, the maturity value is 39.63 lakh, resulting in an IRR of 6.67% as per the policy's maturity calculator. Since this example uses the wealth option whose benefits are received at the end of the term, the IRR is already modest. So if you choose yearly cash payouts instead, the IRR will be even lower because yearly withdrawals weaken compounding, while the plan offers flexibility through yearly income and deferred income options. The overall returns remain underwhelming. Such low yielding products are unlikely to help you meet long-term financial goals effectively. So now that we know that this policy is not giving us the desirable outcome that we need, let us move on to a comparative analysis where we are going to take up an alternative approach in which we are going to separately invest in insurance and investment instead of combining it under one policy policy like the Bandhan Life iIncome Wealth Plan, just to see whether that can give us more efficient returns. So here we are going to use same or similar parameters from the previous example for a much more fair comparison. For life cover purpose, we have taken up a pure term life insurance policy with a sum assured of 25 lakhs, equivalent to the base cover plus bonuses under the Bandhan policy, which cost us an annual premium of only 16,600 rupees for a 30-year term with a 10-year premium payment period. The remaining 58,400 rupees is going to be invested in an equity mutual fund, because due to long run period, it can give us high potential for high returns. So at maturity, the equity mutual fund value after accounting for capital gains tax comes to 97.76 lakhs, where the pre-tax value was 1.10 crore. So the combined IRR for the strategy like term insurance plus mutual fund investment works out to be 10.42%. If you have any doubts regarding how we have calculated the equity mutual fund tax, we do have presented a small tabular column on the screen for your easy reference, which you can pause and see. So this alternative approach delivers higher returns, better liquidity, and inflation beating growth. It strengthens your ability to meet future goals. In contrast, this policy falls short in terms of return potential. What is the final verdict then? Is investing in the Bandhan Life iIncome Wealth Plan worth it or not? So this policy offers survival benefits that can be taken yearly or deferred. These payouts include bonuses, but the bonus rates are non-guaranteed, making them unreliable for meeting unplanned expenses. Since the cash bonus cannot be earmarked for specific financial needs, it can disrupt your cash flow. Even if you choose to accumulate bonuses and receive them at maturity under the wealth option, the overall returns remain unimpressive. So, as a traditional life insurance plan offering survival and maturity benefits, the Bandhan policy delivers returns that are lower than inflation, making it unsuitable as an investment product. The core issue is the combination of insurance and investment, which typically leads to poor returns, and it also has a high agent commission. Instead, ensure you have adequate term insurance to protect your family and invest separately based on your long-term goals. Always assess your risk tolerance before choosing investment products.
You can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.